TNT Slime's Eye, and today we're going to be doing another mob battle. This time it's going to be 50 llamas versus 20 wolves. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 40, baby llamas, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I'll spawn 30 wolves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And check on the wolves and llamas. This is going to be interesting. Can't believe I was doing this. Oh, no. It's the wolf's fault. I'm even attacking them. Probably a bit. So guys, the wolves over there won't come, so at the moment, I think the llamas are winning that right now. Wolves are always stronger than llamas. Llama. Come on, go to your doggies. They're seriously attacking the pig. Why are they attacking each other? Seriously, these llamas attacking each other. They're not even knowing they're on the team. Go wolfies, go doggies. Don't even care that something else hit them. Spit. The wolves are doing a great job. 3 more. Only 3. I'm not going to do any more spawning. What? Yeah, so I don't want to keep you guys waiting. So I should have built these in. Let's just see how they're doing, because it's going to be so the wolves are doing very well, but the llamas aren't. Have they? I know this defeat. Yeah, I think I'm going to call it a draw actually. No, it's the win for the wolves. It's a win for the wolves. The llamas are attacking each other, so the wolves are the winners.